Hello, children. Have you heard the saying, a bird in hand is worth two in the bush? Let me explain. About the greedy lion. It was a hot summer day, and the lion was very hungry. He wanted food to eat, and so he came out of his den to search for food. He looked here and there, and he only managed to find a small hare. He thought, is this hare sufficient to fill my tummy? But he had no choice. Suddenly, he saw a deer pass by, and he thought, aha, this is a feast for me. And so he let the hare go, and he ran behind the deer. And you know, children, the deer runs very fast, and the lion could not catch the deer. And so the lion had to go hungry. And this explains the moral: a bird in hand is worth two in the bush. Thank you.